Hey folks, Mansoor Suhail from My Learning Center welcomes you. Today we're going to talk about 7 key tactics to grow your business. So let's dive in. Make use of tests. Craft a selling proposition USP, highlighting the advantages customers can expect when choosing your business over competitors. Consider emphasizing service delivery while keeping the customer at the forefront. For instance, enjoy free shipping. This message conveys the promise of services and cost-effective delivery, showcasing benefits concisely. While businesses may believe in the superiority of their products and services, potential customers are more swayed by feedback from existing clients. Customer opinions hold significance as they offer perspectives on the brand. Testimonials play a role in marketing for businesses, aiding in establishing credibility amidst competition. While prominent corporations may not rely heavily on testimonials, smaller enterprises can leverage them to enhance their marketing endeavors. Imagine having a chorus of clients to share their experiences. What better way to reinforce our credibility? Let's delve into leveraging testimonials within marketing strategies for impact. So folks, click the link in the description and discover the essential steps to launching your own business with our comprehensive step-by-step guide to starting your own business. And of course, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and hit the bell icon so you can keep receiving new videos to enhance your knowledge. Thank you for watching.